हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज हम लोग क्लास 9 का चैप्टर 6 का वर्कशीट जो आपको 6 सितंबर का वर्कशीट सॉल्व करेंगे, जिसका पहला क्वेश्चन है प्रूव दैट इफ टू लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर एट अ पॉइंट देन वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल। सो फर्स्ट आई विल ड्रा टू लाइंस and these two lines are intersecting each other at a point. That point is O. So write given. They told two lines, तो दोनों लाइन का हम नाम यहाँ दिख चुके हैं तो नाम ले लेंगे। गिवन में लिखेंगे AB and CD are two lines intersecting at O. This is given. Then what is RTP? Vertically opposite angles are equal. So I am writing numeric representation. It is angle 1, it is 2, this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. So they are vertically opposite. So first bit we have to prove angle 1 equal to angle 3. Second bit we have to prove angle 2 equal to angle 4. So for this proof, what you do, just you select one angle from these four angles. Any one angle you have to select. So I am selecting this angle. Then one technique I am telling you how to prove vertically opposite angle. Proof. RTP means required to prove. So here that trick I am telling you, selected angle plus angle before selected angle, angle just before selected angle. So this is selected angle and this is the angle before selected angle. If you join it like this, they are making linear pair. So this is a trick. Because they are making linear pair, so their sum will be 180 degree. It means angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180 degree, and here you can write, write linear pair, and here it is equation 1. Similarly, selected angle plus angle just after selected angle it is also equal to 180. Please see, this is selected angle and this is angle just after selected angle. They are also making linear pair. From diagram you can see it. So it is linear pair. So selected angle is 1, the another one is 4, is 180. Now you see these two equations, this is equal to 180, this is also equal to 180, means two things, they are equal to the same things, then they will be equal. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 equals angle 1 plus angle 4, 1 cancel. So angle 2 equal to angle 4. So we prove this. Then the next proof you can write similarly, we can prove that angle 2 equal to angle 1 equal to angle 3, because 2 equal to 4 already we proved. तो ये हो गया वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल थ्योरम। इसके बाद दूसरा क्वेश्चन है जिसका डायग्राम नहीं गिवन है, तो सबसे पहले हम डायग्राम बनाएंगे। क्वेश्चन 2, तो मुझे उम्मीद है आपको वीडियो देखने के बाद आपका डाउट क्लियर होता होगा। अगर नहीं होता है तो जरूर आप कंसल्ट करें अपने टीचर से। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इट इज if AB, CD and EF are congruent lines. This is very good question. If you don't know congruent line, then you are not going to complete this one. Congruent lines क्या होता है? अगर एक पॉइंट पे 3 or more lines ही मीट करती हो, अगर एक पॉइंट से 3 या उससे ज्यादा लाइन पास करे तो उसको congruent lines कहते हैं. If 3 or more lines are passing through from one point, they are known as congruent line. तो ये लाइन हो गया, जैसे एक लाइन ये है, दूसरा लाइन ये है, और तीसरा लाइन सपोज करो ऐसे है। ये तीनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं। ये शायद लिखा हुआ है P। अब आप देखो इस क्वेश्चन में, दे इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर एट P सच दैट PE, तो सबका नाम पहले लिखेंगे, AB, देन CD, देन EF. Now condition is given, PE bisect angle ACP, APC. PE bisect this one, it means this angle equal to this angle. This is given. And angle CP is 40 degree. This is 40 degree. So first thing we will write, they are equal. So what we will write? We will write PE bisects angle APC given. So angle APE, this angle, equal to angle CPE, and this is equal to 40 degree. So this is also 40 degree. Now find angle BPC. BPC. See, this angle we have to find. The sum of these three angles will be 180 degrees. See, so we can write 40 degree plus 40 degree plus angle BPC equals 180 degree. यहाँ हम लिखेंगे sum of angles on a line. We can't write pairs. Not linear pair, because there are 3. Pair means 2 angles. अब देखो ये एंगल BPC हो गया 180 minus 80, that is equal to 100 degree. That answer we got. This we got 100 degree. Now second requirement, that is angle BPE. BPE. Now you can get it. Angle BPE, from diagram you see BPE, it is 100, it is 40. 100 plus 40, that is 140 degree. The next one is angle APF. APF, this angle. You want to find this angle, this APF, this angle. 40, 40, 100, we don't know this. So this and this, they are vertically opposite angles. So we will write angle BPF equals angle APE. Vertically opposite angles. This is the angles. It is 40 degree. So angle APF, from diagram 40 plus 40 plus 100 plus this 40, so it is 40, 180, 220 degree is the value of that angle. I think it is clear. अब इसके बाद जो तीसरा क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। तीसरे क्वेश्चन में क्या कह रहा है कि L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q. Two pairs of parallel lines are given. Diagram is given. L is parallel to M and then P is parallel to Q. Question number 3. One more thing is given. Angle 1 is 75 degree. This angle 1 and this is angle 2. We have to show that angle 2 equals angle 1 plus 1 by 3 into right angle. So what is this? This is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. It is given, so it is a parallelogram. If it is angle 2, this should be angle 2 because opposite angles of a parallelogram. So we will write here L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. So angle BAD equals angle BCD, opposite angles of parallelogram. BAD, this angle, equal to BCD, opposite angles, and they are equal to 2, angle 2. The name is angle 2. The second thing, angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree, linear pair. See in this diagram, 1 plus 2 is 180. They are looking 180, no? So angle A is 75 plus angle 2 equals 180. So angle 2 equals 180 minus 75. So angle 2 is 105. But we have to show that angle 2 equal to angle 1 plus 1/3 of right angle. Right angle. So this is equal to angle 1 is 75 plus 1 by 3 into 90 and 3 3s are 90. So it means this is equal to 75 plus 30, that we have to show. So see, 105 can be written as 75 plus 30. So 75 means angle 1 and 30 means 1 into 3, 1 by 3 into right angle. So this we proved. This is very good question. Now bachcho, next question, the last question of this worksheet, and you will get this worksheet continuously till final examination. So you can learn mathematics, and by doing questions you can enjoy. When you will understand, then really you will enjoy in mathematics. Now last question of this worksheet. There is a line AB and CD. They are parallel. AB is parallel to CD. It is given, and then there is one transversal like this. It is L, and then there is one line. This angle they are saying, telling 40 degree, and the another line, this angle they are saying 25 degree and this is 90 degree. This is not 90, I am sorry, it is X. It is P and it is Y. And this angle is given 60 degree. You have to find X and Y. Lines are parallel, और जब कभी लाइंस पैरेलल होंगे तो हमेशा हम तीन चीजों के बारे में सोचेंगे. अगर लाइन पैरेलल है तो alternate interior angle and exterior angle are equal, corresponding angles are equal, and co-interior angles are equal. These three things we have to recall. And then vertically opposite angles also here. So see, बच्चों, see this angle and this angle, they are opening in the same direction, they are on the same side of transversal. They represent a pair of corresponding angle. So we can say 25 plus y equal to 60. This plus this, both this plus this equal to 60. So y equal to 60 minus 25. So y equal to 5 and then 35. So I got y equal to 35. After that we have to find this angle x. So you should know this angle, this angle. So if I can say this is z. So now see here, this angle plus this angle, they are co-interior angle. So now we can say 40 plus z plus 25 plus y equals 180. Here reason co-interior angles. The sum of co-interior angles is always 180 if the lines are parallel. So 40 plus 25 is 65, and angle z we don't know, plus angle y is 35 equals 180. So z, we are getting z. So z equal to 180 minus these two together 65, 45 plus 25 65, and y, here y is 35, so 65 then 70, it is 100. So z equal to 80 degree. So we got z. Now in triangle, this triangle we can say, or directly we can write z plus x plus 25 equals 180 by angle sum property of that diagram. Z 80, x we don't know, plus 25 equals 180. So x equals 180 minus 80 minus 25. So 180 minus 80 is 100, minus 25 is 75. So x equal to 75 and y equal to 35. So these are the answers of this assignment. Every day 3-4 assignments.